In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new automation workflow. As we delve into this process, I'll explain each step comprehensively to ensure you understand both the how and the why behind each action. Let's begin our journey into automation, a vital tool for streamlining tasks and improving efficiency. First up, we'll start by logging into your automation platform. This is a crucial step since accessing the right dashboard is the foundation for creating any new automation. Make sure you have your correct login credentials handy to avoid any delays. Your main interface should display options to manage current projects or begin new ones. For us, the focus is on starting fresh, so locate the New Automation or Create New Workflow button. Entering this environment allows us to start building our automation blueprint from scratch. Next, we need to define our trigger events. Consider triggers as the initial catalyst that set your entire workflow in motion. Essentially, you'll want to identify specific conditions or actions that will prompt your automated system to take over. It could be anything from receiving a new email to a specific date and time reaching or a form submission. Accurately defining these triggers is pivotal because the whole workflow depends on the conditions you set here. Ensure the triggers you choose align perfectly with the task you're seeking to automate. With our triggers in place, we can proceed to add action nodes to the workflow. Action nodes specify the tasks or outcomes that follow the initial trigger event. For instance, if your automation involves sending a notification when a new email arrives, the action node will be responsible for defining the notification specifics. You may have multiple actions tied to a single trigger, each building upon the last to create a comprehensive automation map. Consider this phase as you would a domino effect. Each action seamlessly leads to the next. Be meticulous as you compound these elements, ensuring they're logical and efficient towards your goal. Now that we have constructed our automation framework, it's time to put it to the test. Begin by running a few trial executions. This testing phase is invaluable. It allows you to observe the real-time function of your automation and pinpoint any adjustments that need to be made for improved functionality. Check to verify that each part of your workflow triggers and executes as planned. This ensures that when you implement it on a larger scale, it will perform reliably. Finally, with your automation polished and tested, you are now ready to schedule your runs. Think of this as setting your workflow on autopilot. Choose times and frequencies that align with your needs, whether that means running daily, weekly, or even setting custom intervals. Once scheduled, your automation can work tirelessly in the background, allowing you to focus on other tasks. There you have it, a complete walkthrough to effortlessly set up a new automation. By following these detailed steps, you can ensure that your workflow is not only functional, but optimized for efficiency. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay ahead by automating everyday processes.